about you. I start reminiscing you. This time around, I wanted to be good for you. Waiting on the side, guess it's time for a different prayer. Oh, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me.
So I've had a really long day. Let's just take a look. I am tired. I've had to look in so many damn grocery stores just to see if these bitches had fucking pomegranates. Pomegranates, niggas. Motherfucking granates. Yeah, it's not too pretty. I have been to Price Right, 2 Stop and Shops, Aldi's, Market Basket, 7-Eleven, and another store I can't remember right now, and Shaw's. Yeah, it was pretty frustrating trying to find pomegranate seeds, even though I've been looking for them since last year. Little did I know, none of the grocery stores have it unless you go to this one grocery store. So I finally got them, as you can see. 8 stores and 1 Quickie Mart later, we finally got some. I got 4 of them hoes. I don't care, because I've been looking for them since last year. No Stop and Shop and no Walmart ever had them. Let's get to making this nature cereal. So I got coconut water, pineapple. I have golden berries, pomegranate seeds, strawberries, and blackberries in here. Let's see. A whole spoonful here. Let's see. The tropical berries are busting. I'm gonna try it with almond milk. This is what I already do with strawberries. I do strawberries, milk, and a little bit of sugar, and I eat it like that. So let's see. Let's see. Almond milk. Oh, so much better. Do it with almond milk. Oh my gosh. Vanilla flavored. Yeah, do the nature cereal with vanilla almond milk. Delicious.